Hello there, welcome to Cambly.
Hi,
Hi, my name is Adrian. What is your name?
my name is Spark.
Okay, Spark. And where are you from?
I'm from Bhutan, but I'm currently studying in India.
India.
Yeah, I'm currently studying in India, but I am originally from Bhutan.
Burdan.
Bhutan, yeah, Bhutan. It's in South Asia. It's a small country sandwiched between India and China.
Yes, because I'm pretty good at geography, but
Okay.
Burdan, I'm not very familiar with that country. Okay,
All right.
no worries. Okay, so Spark.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you practice with Cambly?
Basically, I just communicate with the teachers on Cambly. We just talk about random things, about traveling, about life and all this stuffs. Like, yeah, that's how I like to learn things.
That's how you like to learn things,
Yeah,
like casual conversation.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
All right, all right. So you're from Verdun.
Yeah,
You're living in India.
yeah, I'm living in India.
What part of India?
Uh, I'm in Bangalore. Bangalore.
I know India, but I'm not that well versed. So
Okay.
east, west, north, south, southwest, southeast, northeast. What part of India?
Just a minute. I need to see that.
No worries, no worries. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you, why are you practicing English?
I'm practicing English because I want to communicate in an effective way. I'm quite good at writing, but when it comes to speaking, because back there in my country, we talk in our own native language, so we are not familiar with talking in English.
Hmm.
So that's why I cannot, talk in a fluent way in English. So I thought I should practice, and I joined the course in Cambly.
Okay, so in your daily life, you don't talk to anyone in English?
Now I'm talking because I have friends from India. I don't know Hindi much, so I have to speak in English. But back there in my country, I had my own friends who were speaking in our own language. So we were not that much familiar with English. We used to study English and we used to write in English as well. But when it came to talking, we used to talk in our own language. So it was a bit difficult to uh, communicate and to articulate our thoughts.
Okay, I do not want to put down anyone,
All right.
but let me tell you something.
Mm.
I speak with people from all over the world.
Okay.
Korea, Japan, China, Vietnam, etc.
Okay.
The most difficult accent for
Okay.
me,
Okay.
it's from India.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
if you have friends from India that
Uh,
speak English,
yeah.
do not be afraid to challenge them
All right.
because I've spoken with people from Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Japan. The most difficult accent It's only me.
Okay.
W- we are all different, but it's only me.
Mm.
The most difficult accent to understand
Okay.
is from the people from India,
Oh.
because India has,
Mm.
like, the second language is English,
Yeah.
but the enunciation of English
Mm.
is not good. So my advice to you would be,
Okay.
do you watch movies or TV series in English?
Yeah, I do. I do watch movies and TV series in English, and I do read a lot of books. But English, I believe it's basically a practice. It depends on how much we practice, right? How familiar we are with English, we are advocate. So even my parents, they used to speak in our own native language, and I am used to talking in our own language. So it was a bit difficult growing up to speaking in English because of lack of confidence, because I always felt that my pronunciation is not good, my English is not good. So, and I had the thought that maybe if I speak in English, someone will make fun of me because of my pronunciation or my grammatical errors. But gradually I came to understand that it's okay, because are our first language is not English. So we need to learn, we need to practice it, and only then we will be able to talk in English fluently. It's
Yes.
not a subject. I believe that English is not a subject, it's a language, right? So we can speak if we practice on a daily basis, or if we practice it consistently.
Accent. All
Yeah.
right. So many people, whenever they're learning English,
Mm.
they're very concerned with the accent. Oh, I have a thick accent.
Yeah.
Mm, don't worry about it. I live in California.
Okay.
I visited Texas, Illinois, West Virginia. I couldn't understand what they were saying.
Okay.
So accents, totally fine. Okay, don't worry about that. But I do have to say, um, I have Indian friends.
Okay.
I speak with people from India.
Um,
It's very hard to understand. Why? Because the way you have learned,
mm,
elementary school,
yeah.
primary school, middle school, you have been taught a certain way.
Yeah.
Okay,
Exactly.
no problem. But it's not real. So you have pretty good English.
Thank you so much.
My advice to you would be, yeah, keep on practicing,
Mm,
but pick a topic,
okay.
like an article. What do you
Mm.
do? Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student.
Hmm. What are you studying?
I'm studying. I'm majoring in psychology, English, and journalism.
Psychology, English, journalism. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's always a good it's always a good exercise. Like,
Okay.
think of an article, read an
Okay.
article, whatever. You may not understand everything,
Mm.
but that's what that's why we are here from or
Yeah.
for, rather. So there's a link where you can upload documents or even Google Docs,
Okay.
and we can open them and
Mm.
talk about those topics.
Mm.
It's a lot more faster. Why? Because you already know the basics. You know English. All you have to do is practice, be
Yeah.
better, polish your
Yeah.
English. So a good exercise is bring your own documents, bring your
Okay.
topics, and we can talk about them.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, it's a very good exercise.
Okay.
If you have friends from in, I have a friend from India, dude. I always correct him
Okay.
because the accent it's way different.
Oh yeah.
Um, if you want to go to Europe,
Okay.
it's a different thing.
Yeah.
If you want to come to the US, it's a
Mm.
different accent.
Yeah.
So accent should not be a point of discussion.
Yeah.
Language, vocabulary,
Yeah.
that's what you need to focus on.
Yeah.
So yeah, we this is why this is why we are here to
Yeah.
help you out. So yeah, dude. Um, are you planning on studying abroad?
Yeah. Maybe I'm not sure now, but I have my cousins in US and Australia, so maybe I will.
Australia.
Yeah, Australia. So maybe I will go to do my masters, but I'm not very sure. I have to see.
Australia is a very good place to go.
Yeah.
Even I live in here in the U.S.,
Yeah.
uh, but I have to admit,
Mm.
Australia, New Zealand, very good places to learn a lot.
Okay.
They give you opportunity,
Okay.
most of it, and they judge, but they do not judge as much as people in here in the U.S. judge.
Okay.
So very good option.